In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by installing an app you wanna apply instead of your current default. I already did that with Firefox, so I can go into devices settings right away. Now you need to scroll to hit apps, and then scroll again, this time to hit default apps. Following that, tap on one of those sections you wanna manage. As I mentioned before, I want to change my browser, so I have to click here. Click on Firefox to apply it, and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!